This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to do finding and replacing text in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word provides you several excellent features to make your task easier. Let us study about them. Sometimes you may need to find or search for a particular word or text in a document. The find command of MS Word is used for this task. Find and replace command finds the word or text and replaces it with a new word or text in the document. To find text in a document, we will follow the given steps. We will first click the Home tab and we will click the Find from the editing group. So here you can see that we have this button. So you can see, you can find it over here. Now the Find feature opens up on the left pane of the Word document area. We can type any text in the text box at the top of the pane to search. The search items get highlighted. So we would like to find droplets in the document. So what we will do, we will type here the word droplets over here like this, and we'll press the OK button. So viewers, you can see that as soon as I type the word droplets, it actually highlighted the word in the document. And this is the very easy way you can find the words in your document. So if you would like to search the word volcanoes, then you can type volcanoes over here like this, and as soon as you type the complete word, then Microsoft Word finds it for you like this and highlight in the yellow color. Likewise, if I would like to find the word constituent, then we can type like constituent right over here like this, and since you can see that we can find the word constituent in the same document. For advanced find, from the Find drop-down menu in the editing group, we will click over here like this and we'll click the advanced find, and this is how we can do the advanced find this way. So we will first click the advanced find. We'll click the Find button from the editing group and click the advanced find option. Now a dialog box opens up using which we can search for the text. So we will click on More button like this, and now we can choose the match case. Find whole words only, use wildcard, sounds like English, find all words forms English, match prefix, match suffix, ignore punctuation characters, ignore white space characters. So there are multiple options you can see in the More option. So in the match, you can see in the match case, it finds the word or text as you have typed in the Find What box. For example, if you have typed the word particles in the Find What box like this, particles in the Find What box, it will ignore the word particles and will only look for particles. But when we click on it match case and type particles like this, then viewers, you can see that it actually ignore it and cannot. Now you can see the message word has searched, word has reached the end of the document. Do you want to continue searching at the beginning? Means that word did not find the word particles if we click on the match case. So we again click on it and we will see that it don't actually. We can again do this practice, like we will click on the Find button and go to the advanced find, and from here we will click the match case and then type Find next. Word has finished searching the document. The search item was not found. Why this happened? Because we actually selected the match case option. So we restrict this document to find the word particles in the capitals letters. So since the particles is written in the small letters in this document, so the word cannot find the same word in the document and shows the message like the word has finished searching the document, the search item was not found. But once we type the word particles in small letters and then we press the find next button, then we can see the word particles can be found. Now the find whole words only, we'll click on the find whole words only. It finds the text as whole word, not as a part of another word. Like if we click on particles, we can see so many, there are three times the word particles has been used, so it can show you like this. If we type part and then click the find next, it can never show to us. But when we click unselect the find whole words only and click the find next, you can see it can show us a little part of the word particles. But when we click on the find whole words only and click on the find next, then it never shows like this. Word has finished searching a document, the search item was not found. But when we unselect it and we just type the word part, the word part in the find F box and press the find next button, so we can see a little part of the particles is highlighted this way. The other option we can see is the sounds like English, and it actually finds the homonyms, two or more words having the same spelling, pronunciation but having different meanings. For example, see or see. Like in this document, you can see that if we type a word over here, like for example in this document, we can see there is a word like dust. If we type like dust, then it shows the word dust to us like this. But if you type must like this and type the find next button, what has finished the document and we cannot find it the way. So this way we can see that there are some words like if I type see or see, then both words can be found with the help of using the sounds like word. And if I click on the find option, go to the advanced find, and from here I click sounds like and type see over here and click the find next. So viewers, you can see that actually I have typed the word SWEC, which means to watch something, and you know that since the sounds like see, the SEC is same, so word actually highlighted the word SEA instead. So it means that we can type the same homonyms, two or more words having the same spellings, pronunciation, but have different meanings with the help of the sounds like English word. Like if I type, so this is the this is the example we can see for using the sounds like words. Now we will select and use the option find all words from. From here we will again go to the find option, go to the advanced find, and we'll click the find all words from English, and it finds all the forms of verb or noun of the word. Now we'll find next, we'll click the find next button. From here like if I type particles and click on the find next button like this, so you can see that we can find the word in the find all words form English. So we have learned today how to use the advanced find options like match case, find whole words only, sounds like English, and find all words forms of English. So that's all, and thanks for watching.